Here we have a collection of interesting ground covers. We have the perennial creeping thyme, which releases a bit of a scent when you step on it. There's the sedum, which very drought tolerant, nice in rockeries. And now you have the creeping juniper, spreading juniper. Look at this, look how nice and low this grows. And here's something called a juga. And this bright lime yellow. The ajuga is blooming right now. Beautiful purpley colors. Look at that. Such a beautiful ground cover. And it can grow in the part shade as well, which is nice. The challenge with ground covers is keeping it weed free until they're established. So you have to weed regularly to establish a nice ground cover bed. But isn't that a nice garden full of combinations? I always admire this garden.